Like Pastor Paulus, he always says what? Love the hell out of people. But that's what he says. He says, for those who are saved, you are the fragrance of life. For those who are unsaved, death to death, because they stand confronted by the choice that they have to make. Confronted by, do I need a Savior? Your life is surrendered to a holy God. And when they look at you, they know their life isn't. But the love that you bring towards them should make them curious and say, but I want that. In Matthew 10:22 it says, and you will be hated by everyone because of my name, but the one who endures to the end will be saved. It's okay. It's okay to be invited to a party and they wait for you to leave before the real party starts. It's okay.